Welcome to another episode of Beginner's Barbecue Outdoors. In this video, we're doing pepperoni pizza. Let's fire up the Traeger. So here we have the stuff that we're going to need. We have a pizza blend cheese. We have the pizza sauce ragu and original pepperoni. And we got bubbly, 2 mini original crust. These are a little bit frozen, but they should be fine. Put a little bit of pizza sauce. This is how they do it. This is how I do it at the pizza shops. Something like this. See? It's down, look like a professional. Bam. I like my pizza saucy too. So I don't know about you guys, but this is how. Look at that. I'm ready to go work at Little Caesars. Bam. I think that. Okay, I think that's good. Time for the piece of blend cheese. There we go, like that. Oh, yep. Maybe I'm not ready for Little Caesars. Little Caesars. Little Caesars. Get the cheese. The pizza blend cheese. Cheesy. There we go. That's gonna be real cheesy right there. Now it's time for the pepperoni. If I knew how to open this. Oh, like this. Not bad. There it is. See, this is how they do it at the pizza place. They go in circles. Make it look all nice. But they make it look a lot more easy though. They go a lot faster. Simple as that. Bam. All right, we'll do the same process on the next one. We'll be back. So now that they have the 2 pizzas ready, I think I'm gonna do it. I've never done this before, and I've done some research. Normally, a frozen pizza goes in the oven for 375. I think I'm gonna do the same for these on the Traeger. Smoking for 375 temperature. I'll check them at 12 minutes, 10 minutes, and see where they're at, because I need to learn the process first, and then we'll go from there. So I got the pizzas in now. The temperature got to 375, so I put them in now, and I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes and see how they look. So the pizzas are ready. It's about 15 minutes total. Now that the pizzas are ready, they're out the Traeger. Let's take a look at this. So they have a nice crust in the bottom. Look at that. Look at that. And this was of a temperature of 375 for 15 minutes. That's what it was. Pretty easy. I mean, self-explanatory. Now let's give it a try. Smoke pepperoni pizza. Ah, boy. Mm-hmm. Wow. This is not bad, guys. This is not bad. Not bad. Wow. Okay. Okay. So, first time doing a pizza, they came out great. Oh man, it's good. So that's it for this video, this episode, Beginner's Barbecue Outdoor. We'll see you guys next time.